In this lecture, we are going to learn partnership and shares. Partnership and shares in aptitude. Friends, don't worry. I'm discussing all topics in parallel because permutation combinations is very important. With this one, mixtures and delegations is also very important. So we are having more time now, so that I should complete more number of topics so that you can get use of it. So what I'm doing now, I'm just making the topics parallel with one another, with one. Don't worry, I'll teach each and every topic. Let me complete this partnership and shares within 3 parts, so that you can completely fulfill with partnership and shares. No need to revise any book after seeing this lecture videos. We'll continue the permutation and combinations and mixtures and delegations. So let us go through the partnership and shares. Friends, what do you mean by partnership? You may have learnt in so many books. You may learnt in so many books. What is partnership? Friends, see, partnership is when 2 or more persons combinedly start a business is called partnership. Right or no, friends? When 2 or more persons combinedly start a business is called a partnership. 2 or more persons combinedly start a business is called partnership. Friends, I think you got the definition of partnership. Then what is meant by shares? Shares is nothing but when 2 or more persons start a business is called partnership now. So they'll get some profit now. Definitely they'll get profit now. Dividing the profit according to their investments is called shares. Right or no, friends? Shares is nothing but dividing the profit among themselves and depending on the investment. Friends, let us take a basic example. One of the basic example. 2 persons are there. Let me assume A and B. 2 persons are there. A is investing 4,000. B is investing 6,000. And after investing, they got a profit of 3,000. Right or no, friends? They got a profit of 3,000. So for whom the profit will be getting more? For whom? Definitely B, because he invested 6,000 because A investing 4,000, he is investing 2,000 more than A, so he should get, therefore B should get a more profit. Right or no, friends? Next, let us take a very very basic example. There are two persons. A is investing 4,000 for 8 months. B is investing 4,000 per 9 months. Who will get? Let me assume that they got a profit of 3,000. After 8 months, they got a profit of 3,000. For whom the profit should be more? Tell me, friends, for whom the profit should be more? Definitely should be for B, because he is investing for more time now. He is investing for more time now. Then A is investing for 8 months, but B is investing for 9 months now. So definitely B should get more profit. Right or no, friend? B should get more profit. What we can conclude from the example 1 and example 2, let me this example 1 then example 2. Therefore, what we can get a note point from example 1 and then profit depends on investment and time period. Right or no, friends? Profit depends on investment and time period. Right or no, friends? So in first example, if profit depended on investment, because he is investing more amount now, so that B is getting more profit. And time period, how is time period? They both are investing same amount, but he is investing 4,000 amount for 8 months, and B is investing this 4,000 for 9 months. So definitely B will get more profit. So therefore we can conclude that profit depends on investment and time period. Now, friends, come to our formula. Friends, let me take 2 persons A and B. Let me take investments. Let A be investing I1 amount, B investing I2 amount. Time period, friends. Now let me assume that I1 is investing for T1 time period, I2 is investing for T2 time period. Then what is profit? I will get profit. Profit can be obtained by multiplying these two. I1 into T1 is to IT into T2. This is the profit. How we can get profit? Profit is the multiplication of investment in time period, and we already got that profit depends on investment time period. Therefore profit equal to investment into time period. Therefore profit equal to investment time period. Friends, I think you got the point. Now let us go through some examples so that you can get clarified. Let me assume that A is investing 4,000, B is investing 6,000, and A is investing for how many months? Let me assume that he is investing for 8 months. He is investing for 12 months. What is the profit? How can I get profit? So as I'm taking ratio now, therefore these will get cancelled. So 4:6 will become 2:3, right? And friends, 2:3, and this also will become 8 and 12. We got 2 4s are 2 6 are within as but 2:3, right? And friends, 2:3. Then profit how much? 2 into 2 is 2, 3 into 3. This is the profit. Therefore 4:9. Therefore 4:9. Let me assume that after investing 4,000 for 8 months, and after investing 6,000 for 1 month, let the profit be 26,000. Let the profit be 26,000. Therefore 4:9 is the profit ratio. No? What is the addition of this 4 plus 9? 13 parts. Therefore 13 parts should be equal to 26,000. Right or no, friends? Because we assumed the profit of these investments is 26,000. Now therefore one part should be equal to 2,000. Then what is the share of A? Share of A is 4 parts now. 4 parts, which is nothing but 8,000, because one part equal to 2,000 now. What is share of B? 9 parts now. So 9 into 2, what is 18,000? Right or no, friends? 18,000. So like this, friends, this is the introduction to partnership and shares. I think you got the definition of partnership and shares, and how partnership depends on time, and how partnership depends on investment. We got a clear idea, and we have solved one example so that we can find how much share that A can obtain, how much share that B can get. This is the introduction, friends. I like how you hope like the video. Friends, please follow this lecture video. We'll be completing this within 2 parts. It is just a part 1. Let me take this as part 1. We'll be discussing some problems based on this part 1 in part 2, and we'll be closing the session with withdraw model, so that we can completely finish partnership and shares, because it's a very a short topic. It is having very few number of formulas. It is having very few number of models, so that we can complete this within a short span of time. Thank you, friends. Please follow the lecture videos. It is very useful to you. I think all are following this. Thank you.